What's up everyone, welcome to DC Vlogs. I'm Deepak. So in today's vlog, I am traveling to Mangalore. So first we are going to Kadri Manjunath temple. It shows 54 kilometers. It's gonna take me 1.5 hour drive. Let's go. Just reached Kadri Manjunath temple. Guys, I couldn't record much inside the temple. It was prohibited. So this temple is apparently built in the 10th century. One of the oldest temples in the south. And it's so hot over here. I'm sweating like crazy. So next stop we are going to Pilikula Nisargadama. Hope it's not that hot over there. Guys, I've reached Pilikula Nisargadama. There's a park, there's a zoo, there's a garden. It's a mixture of everything. I'll show you guys. This is the well. Wow. These are all species of trees. There's so many species of trees. Many more over here. And some more over here. There are so many species of trees, and they have got all of it over here. I'm in Botanical Garden now, and there's a lake too over here. You can do boating and all. Next stop to the zoo. Sea eagle. Silver peasant. So delicious. Fan-tailed pigeon. Kite. Let's go check snake house. Not sure the Indian cobra. People have kept money over there because it's good to see an Indian cobra. Smells pathetic over here. Black cobra. King cobra. It's a long one. Check out these fucking pythons, they're so big. Indian rock pythons. Baby pythons. Check this one. There's a leopard over there. Check out this baby. Woo! Here's the lioness. Wait, there's a freaking peacock. That lioness is checking out the peacock. Just finished with Pilikula Nisargadama. This property is spread on 300 acres. They have botanical garden, they have lakes, they have science center, zoo. I couldn't finish the whole thing. I'll just keep this part short because I spent 3 hours over here and I have a lot of data. So the whole thing is for $150 and they have the electric vehicles which is for $30 and the electric vehicles take you around. Next stop, let's go have some lunch. It's 3 o'clock now. Done with food now. Time to taste Mangalore's best ice cream. Propas. Everything on the menu looks so delicious. I've ordered for a tiramisu. Let's see how it shows. Just finished with the ice cream. Next stop we are going to New Mangalore Port. So see you there. I reached the port, but turns out you need a permission to get inside, which I didn't know. I guess I'll have to skip this one and go to Panambur beach now. Last stop for the day, Panavar beach. So crowded, man. On my way back to Udupi, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. People are kayaking over here. And the sun is about to set.